Sniper, come here. Come on, baby. What are you doing there? So beautiful. You're trying to climb up on the wall. Oh wait, I want to take a photo of you. Oh, looks so cute. Come on. There's no mouse there. You're crazy, cat. Naughty, naughty kitten. You're a naughty kitten. This is our greenhouse, guys. We're not done building it yet, but soon. It's so nice here. It's so peaceful and fresh air. So beautiful place. I love this place. And they have lots of wildflowers here. Look at that. That's so pretty. This is called Indian paintbrush. Indian paintbrush. Wildflowers. Oh, that's so beautiful. Got more flowers here. White one. Look at this one. So pretty. They are wildflowers. I forgot what the name my husband told me yesterday. I forgot the name. We have one more here. Oh, it's dying. Here. Look at this. I love this one too. I told my husband I want to pull it out and transplant it to our flower garden, but she said this is not good for our flower garden. I'm not sure, but I want to plant it. But there's a lot of these flowers here. Look, they are everywhere. You can see them anywhere around our backyard. So that is our house. And I put my spinach here because I keep them inside like 2 months now, and they are so skinny, and they are dying. I'm not sure, but I hope they will survive. Staying outside is good for them because they will get more sunlight than inside. So instead of keeping it inside, I just put it here in our unfinished greenhouse. We will finish this soon because we have lots of plants needs to put here inside. So that is our house. That is a gas tank. It's so huge because we need more gas during winter. We need gas for our fire furnace, and we use it in our stove for cooking too. That's so big. Yeah, this is septic tank. This is I don't know. That's kind of like septic tanks, and this is I'm not sure. Maybe it's for the heater or aircon. Maybe. I'll show you guys our water irrigation control. So this is our water irrigation control for our garden, and let's open it. So now the time here is 11:32 a.m. June 10, 2025. So this is the irrigation control. It will water the garden automatically because we set it the time we set, like 5 a.m. in the morning. It will water the garden for an hour, and in the evening we set it like 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. We choose to set it like that, 8 p.m. time, because the sunset here is around 8:30 to 9 p.m. because it's spring season. During spring season and summer season, we have a long day. Like our sunset will show up around between 8:30 to 9 p.m. And then during winter, we have a shorter day, like 4 p.m. It's already dark, so that's why they move the time. Our time here will backward during spring season and will move forward an hour during winter season. It's called saving the daylight saving. This is Sniper. She looks so pretty and so orange. Her orange color comes out more as she grows up. I love my kitten. Sniper! Oh, look at that! You're so cute and pretty. Oh, look at this. What is this? No, don't ruin it. I don't know if it's it's kind of flower or vegetables. Sniper! Oh, I took a photo of you. You look so pretty. Trying to bite me? Are you trying to bite me? Come on. Don't bite me, baby. So that's all, guys. I love gardening. I love adventure. I love nature. I love what else? Traveling. I love making video and photo. Anywhere I go, I love to take photos and video because that's one of my hobbies. So yeah, that's all. Bye from Wisconsin, USA.